In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off notification sound in Outlook. So firstly, click on View. Then here, click on View Settings. Now here, click on General and Language and Time Settings. You will see the option Notifications. Now here is the setting Notifications in Outlook. You can make it on and off by selecting this setting to on or off. Then to turn on, check this box, allow notifications to play sound, and to turn off, unselect these both options and save it. And there are some more settings you can modify as your need and as your requirement. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.